VibeSprint is my solution for autonomous agents working in my own local environment that I can access remotely. This 2026, I want to move into a PM role. Managing A is to do the coding for me. So VibeSprint can help me with this by running Kiro-CLI for the issues that I create using the GitHub or Linear app. In this way, I can still make changes while I'm away, while also controlling where the AI is running. You create your tickets, your issues, and then the AI will run remotely and it will generate a pull request for you. I've done this, so it will be able to run locally, or in this case, I'm running it from my Raspberry Pi. Let's start running the command. It's a simple terminal user interface. We have some repos already. We have compatibility with GitHub and Linear for issue tracking. We also support Kiro, all the models in Kiro, and also Codex, all the models in Codex for ChatGPT. If we go into Start, we're going to see the repos that we are monitoring. So we're running, and we're going to get a new issue on the repo Kiro Autonomous Homebrew. It says 1 ready to pick up, and then it's going to pull it in, and it's going to start working on that. It's going to launch Kiro, and it's going to work on that task, and then create a pull request. If we go into the recent activity, we can check the logs, and we can check all the logs from Kiro in here. We can also see the credits and the minutes that I've been running. And then here is the actual GitHub issue for this one. As you can see, I have the description. That's what is actually running into the Kiro. And then you can see in there that it's opened a pull request, and it's moving this into my project from ready to work into in review because the pull request has been opened. We can also run this in detached mode. So in my case, I'm running this on my Raspberry Pi. I want to run this when I'm away from the Raspberry Pi, so I can just detach this, and it is going to run in the background. And then once I come back, if I want to check the logs, I can just run it again. I can just go into View Dashboard, or I can just stop it. Now let's go into the configuration of the repo to have a quick overview. We have different projects for GitHub Projects or Linear. If we go into GitHub Projects, we select the owner. We select the name of the repository, and then the friendly name. Then locally, we need to check what the repository is. That's the repository for it. It's going to link for a project and the column. This is going to move the issue around the columns, depending on if it's working on that or if it's creating a new one. For Linear, it's the same thing. We select the team. We select the columns for the board, and then we also select the repository, which in this case is just GitHub. Then we need to attach a label to see that this issue is run on a specific repository. We call repo VibeSprint to know that this ticket is for that repository. And here is a look into the Linear issue. And as you can see, it's the same as before. We have the same information on the run. We also have the possibility to do a plan. So if we want to have a big feature that we need to split into multiple issues, we can select the label plan, and then this VibeSprint is going to pick it up. And instead of committing a pull request, it's going to create multiple sub-issues into this. I hope you enjoy this. If you want to use this, feel free to use it. It's open source. I will definitely use it while I'm away.